gonna get them rolling and get them out riding. We're gonna start the first ride. It's gonna be January. We're gonna start through the bike repair, like they're doing there, free bike repair, and then following the free bike repair, I'm gonna lead a community ride around Douglasville here in Bay Minette. So that's gonna be, I'm gonna be teaming up with Ben and his crew. So y'all look out. We're finna get it started. You're welcome to join us. Get your ride on. Let the kids ride. Let the kids ride them new Christmas bikes.